gathered here to experience a run for a cause, a run that creates awareness. And yes, we have 3 categories, our first, second and third category. Without any further ado, we are now going to give away the prizes. Category 1, and for this we have our chief guest, Shri Shripad Naik, to do the honors of giving away the winner, the first prize winner to category 1, which goes to Nabil Sahi from Kerala. Please put your hands together, everybody. We have Nabil Sahi from Kerala. I request Nabil Sahi, if you are around, to please come up. This is category 1 for the men. Category 1, the men's category. Nabil Sahi to kindly do the honors. We have Nabil Sahi up on stage, our chief guest along. We have Shri Shripad Naik along with Shri Shanal and Shetanavade, who do the honors of giving away the trophy to the first prize winner of the men's category. Ladies and gentlemen, let me hear a good round of applause. Make some noise. Well, all the best to you, Mr. Nabil Sahi. Good wishes. And we have the next winner, second prize, which goes to Daniel Walong from Meghalaya. Please put your hands together, everybody. Again, from the men's category, we have Daniel. Come on, everybody. Let me hear a good round of applause for Daniel Walong from Meghalaya. Well, we have energetic runners this morning, and coming up to the third winner for today, again from Meghalaya, we have SKHEMLANG Suba. Please put your hands together, everybody, for SKHEMLANG Suba from Meghalaya again. This is the men's category, kindly note. Well, we are now coming to the